All right, so let's talk about the planning part of that. So on your document, you can click down, or you've already clicked down here to the plan. So I really do want each one of these problems to be that we solve to be rooted in some kind of real world application. I want it to matter, the work that we're doing. And so this is what we're going to be talking about today. Did you know that in November, when we fall back due to daylight saving time, there are a large number of vehicle-pedestrian collisions that occur during the evening hour? In fact, here's the data. This is for the province of Alberta. I've got the source down here if you want to check out the actual source of it. But starting in November, that is our highest, October, November. November has the highest percentages of collisions involving pedestrians. We look at the time of day that those take place, and 31% take place between 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. And so what we're going to do is we are going to help solve or help contribute towards solving part of that issue. And so what we're going to do is we are going to create a warning system so that when it gets too dark out, kids get a warning with the microbit knowing that it's time to come inside. That's what we're going to build. And so for this project, what we're going to do is what we're going to need is a microbit. And for this project, we're going to be using V2. You'll see me coding today on V1. That'll work as well. There's just a couple of tweaks we got to make because V1 does not have a microphone built in. You'll need your battery supply and you will need your USB cable. So this video is going to end now. Go gather those supplies. What we're going to do is we are going to talk about how to use inputs like our built-in light sensor. We're going to talk about how to use outputs like our LED array or our speaker. We'll touch briefly at the very end about creating variables to store information. And then we'll talk about how to use the serial monitor to send information from your microbit back to your computer. Now, I can't understate this. This is probably one of the most useful things you'll learn in this one, even though it's a small part of it. And then finally, we'll talk about how to use if-then logic statements to actually set up our microbit to do something. So go ahead, gather those materials, and we'll see you back in the next video.